O&M, known as Operations and Maintenance, is the driving force for keeping your solar production plant healthy. Whether SOLV is the EPC contractor or another contractor builds the project, the O&M team partners with the builder partway through construction to help dial in the facility for long-term operations. With 15 gigawatts of utility-scale solar and storage sites under operations, the SOLV team provides project owners with NERC compliance, 24/7 365 monitoring, corrective maintenance or repairs to equipment, preventative maintenance to preserve the original manufacturer's warranty, and spare parts management. By dedicating resident technicians to the site full-time, our field crews gain an intimate knowledge and understanding of the site and feels a sense of ownership in the performance of each asset. SOLV technicians receive in-house training and the highest level of factory authorized service training from industry-leading OEMs. This allows our technicians to provide prompt and safe preventative and corrective maintenance that comply with industry standards. Our technicians are on-site full-time and can quickly respond to any issues as they arise. Our field technicians are supported by 7 departments to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the site. This includes our Operations and Control Center, Safety Department, Performance Engineering, Project Management, NERC Compliance, SCADA, and Technical Services teams. Our Operations and Control Center, or OCC, is the nervous center of all we do in O&M. The OCC operators are tasked with communicating with interconnection authorities and responding to alarms on facilities. When an issue is detected on a site, the team determines whether they can address the issue from the OCC level or if it is necessary to direct a field tech to make the repair on site. Our team of performance engineers uses SOLV's in-house data analytics platform, Vitals, to identify underperformance, monitor DC health, and target performance anomalies before they turn into production-impacting issues. To help owners keep the site as healthy and productive as possible, SOLV's HV team can also provide substation testing, maintenance, and repairs, complying with the latest NETA standards. Our technical services team can address high-volume or highly technical remediation work. Our SCADA team has over 12 years and 20 gigawatts of experience providing site connectivity and data integration to make sure the site's control and data acquisition systems are operating reliably and communicating real-time actionable data to all project stakeholders. When owners work with SOLV, they gain more than just an O&M provider. They also get access to one of the nation's leading EPC contractors, a high-voltage team who designs, builds, commissions, tests, and repairs HV equipment, our technical service team who can address site repowers and remediation, and a partner who engages with local communities to spread good energy across the country.